today Tony Blair's been doing a speech inside Westminster Cathedral on faith and globalisation, and he still has a large impact on this world, and there's many people who don't agree with his vision for the future and who want to build their own world. I don't want to live in a Tony Blair world. I want to live in my own world that we can create as people, because the people will look out for each other. The people together have strength and have unity, but it's people like Tony Blair that see strength in dividing up people and then coming and conquering them. So what we're here to say is, if the people stick together, we will have a stronger world overall. And we don't agree with Blair's vision for the future. We will also not let our leaders, we will not forget the crimes that they've caused against this country. And this is a warning for Tony Blair, for present leaders and for future leaders, that we aren't going to forget what they're doing. And we're going to chant you down every time you come to us.
Because we chant down Blair. That's how we chant down Blair. Because we still believe in hope.
The turnout's been great. There's been so much noise, you can hear it right from the other end of the building. There's no way in the world that Tony Blair was in there without having us drown out his speech, and it would have made it a very awkward speech, and it would have shown the people that Blair's vision for the future does not go unchallenged.
And the Roman Catholic Church, the Pope, said the war was illegal.